Hey guys, my name is William. In today's video, we're doing an SEO audit for an e-commerce website store. That's right, an e-commerce store. My name is William. I have over 20 years of SEO experience, and I run Rank Fortress, where we provide white label SEO and web design. We also provide virtual assistant services to help you run your digital marketing agency. Without further ado, let's dive right in. So I'm going to show you some things that you're doing right, some things that you're doing wrong, based not only just on SEO, but also on customers' best user experience. So when I go to the site, first thing is these images, the text, everything's blurry. I don't know if you can really see it here, but this is blurry. This image is really not really clear. None of these images are really clear. They're like low-res images. You always want a user's experience to wow them as soon as you go here, and I'm really not wowed by this at all. This website looks like more like a 1980, 1990 type of deal of a website. That's what it makes me feel like, okay? You got maxi dress, mini dress, party dress, midi dress over here. These are the categories I see, bestsellers. It's typical, if you will, e-commerce website, e-commerce store. Looks like it's probably a Shopify website. We can look on the back end, and I can generally tell if it is a WordPress site, it would have it, but generally this looks like a Shopify type of a website. Okay, it goes over here. We're going to go through top to bottom what I do like, what I don't like. Maybe you're not trying to get calls. I don't see nothing that shows me any real call to action except, hey, go shopping. I do see you offer free standard shipping over $99 USA. You do have a ton of pages and categories and play suits and stuff of that nature, which is cool. But overall, I mean, it's your just typical e-commerce website store. So what are we going to look at when I'm looking at this? E-commerce, especially in a niche like this, you got to understand e-commerce and on a national level, and then there's international level. Yours is going to be mainly geared towards international because people all over the world are going to be wanting to buy these products, and it's going to take a while. It's not going to be, you know, like local SEO where we can get you ranked in 3 months or a month or whatever. This is going to take, you know, can take anywhere from 6 months to a year or longer. So what I got to ask people when I first start working with an e-commerce site is, okay, do you have the patience to wait a year? Do you have the budget to put into an e-commerce website SEO package, which range in the thousands? Because you're having to develop a lot of content, a lot of backlinks, and a lot of strategy to help get you ranked for all the various terms, because these are highly competitive terms. Okay, some of them are going to be like, if I went to SEMrush and looked up party dress, just for example, you know, you're going to see about how long it would take to rank, and is this a competitive word or not? Yeah, you got global volume of 120,000. It's, you know, difficulty is, it's, you know, pretty difficult. You're going to need to have at least 32 referring domains with content to even begin to compete. Party dresses, party dresses for women, all of that is competitive. Now, that being said, you can go after other terms like tea party dress or costume party dress to impress, and these things right here still get a lot of traffic, and they're less competitive. How to dress for a tea party, how to dress for a tea party. What's a cocktail party dress? That's competitive. How do you dress for a tea party? All these different things, you could actually rank for various keywords going for the main keyword that you want, which is party dress, okay? Hopefully you understand what I'm getting at. Now, if you go for let's say mini dress, and we'll do the same thing. And you put in mini dress, and we're going to see all the different competition. For example, 145,000 globally. Okay, it is decent competitiveness. There are other keywords like white mini dress is less competitive. Red mini dress less competitive. When we get more specific, it's going to be less competitive. We can also write blogs about these various terms that are less competitive. What to wear under a mini dress or a line mini dress. These are different terms that we can actually write blogs on and get ranked and pull in traffic. So for me, a lot of times national SEO is easier because I can go after long tail keywords like these or less competitive keywords like these and get ranked and start pulling in some decent traffic. Like this one, Align Mini Dress, gets almost 3,000 in volume. Okay, so it's a decent amount of volume. This one's 725.90, etc. There's a bunch of keywords we could actually go after, a bunch of blogs we can go after if we just went after the lower key density or competitive words. Okay, so if we went after a lot of these right here, we could get some decent traffic. So now, as far as your, if you will, your audit, you have over 200,000 issues that need to be fixed. So this would take a good month to fix, at least a good month for us to fix this. I'm going to send this report over to you. You got 451 errors, 13,000 warnings, and 211,000 info errors. Okay. As far as your backlinks, this seems like it's a brand new website. You only have 104 backlinks. On a national or e-commerce brand, you're going to definitely need to get a backlink building campaign set up. Then finally, as far as your rankings, you only have 4% visibility in all of the search engines, specifically Google, Yahoo, Bing. And it's literally your brand name, winsomegirl.com. Nothing else. You're not ranking for anything. So this one, I would tell you 6 months to a year worth of SEO, heavy duty branding, heavy duty content and backlink building, etc. As far as the website, I'm not too thrilled with it. I mean, it doesn't like, it's mainly the pictures is what you're going to look at. This is a blurry. These are clear. If we click on some of them, are they going to be, it's not even going anywhere. Like if I click on any of this, it takes me nowhere. Okay, this one finally did. But this one, mini dress is broke, party dress is broke, midi dress is broke. You know, these add to carts is fine. This one, maxi dress, actually takes you to finally a category page. This all looks fine. The images and everything, it's just on the banner or what we call the hero image right here. These are blurry. So I know these are not high res image. Go to what's new. You know, it's a typical e-commerce website. So you got your page structure, you got your pages set up, and they are your URL optimization, let's say party dresses, right? But I want to break it down and go, okay, what are some other categories of party dresses? And I could tell you a bunch of them. It's not just when Google thinks of party dresses, what do they think about? And I could tell you, let me give you some examples of what a party dress would be. So for example, whenever you have your main categories party dress, you should have subcategories by collections or by types. So what are some common types? An A-line dress, a bodycon dress, a fit and flare dress, a wrap dress, a sheath dress, a mermaid or trumpet dress, an off-the-shoulder dress, a halter dress, a pendulum dress, a slip dress, a tiered dress, a one-shoulder dress, a ball gown. All of those are types of party dresses. So for example, whenever I'm building out all those pages and subcategories, I need to have that. And it will make it easier to rank. So for example, let me show you this. When I go to party dresses, I should see categories. Like all the various types of party dress collections. Like I just read off to you. So I'd then go from party dress, subcategory, collections, and you're creating website structure, which helps you with your internal linking, on-page SEO, and Google will recognize that, and it'll be much easier to rank instead of just having a page about party dresses, which makes it harder to rank for on those terms. Day dresses, same thing. Red dresses, same thing. There's various types of these dresses, two-piece sets, etc. So that's what I'd wind up wanting to do. Like I said, if you'd like for us to talk more, I'm going to send you over my calendar link and we can discuss it, but you're talking a good year worth of SEO. The bare minimum for me to even touch this would be about $1,500 a month. And then I could definitely get you ranked. I could definitely start getting some traffic, and we'd write blogs and we'd do backlinking and everything else to build up your backlink profile and using backlink velocity, etc. So if you like our help, just reach out to me. I'm going to send over these SEO reports over to you. For those of you watching, if you'd like for me to do an SEO audit for you or a deep dive, just feel free to book out the SEO audit form below that's in the description, or book a call with me, and that link is also in the description. Until next time, you guys be blessed and have a